You guys, I have 2 months of my rent due previously and one more month that is coming up, and I have to pay my electricity bill, mobile bill. I don't know how I'm gonna afford. Right now I have no idea, but in the past few months God has always took care of me. Somehow my landlady was generous. There were people donating for me all of a sudden, and so I keep taking leaps, okay? And there is so much uncertainty. I cannot ask help from my father or anybody. And during this uncertainty as well, I am preparing myself to receive the most auspicious and miraculous outcome of this situation. I am preparing myself to receive the epic support from Mother Earth, from God, and just like I'm preparing myself to receive the most magical thing ever. Most auspicious, prosperous, and magical things. So, yeah, I have taken all the leaps in the last few years. I felt my fears and all the limitation and everything. I kept leaping. I kept, being vulnerable. I kept being honest and more honest. And I kept moving forward with pure intentions and pure heart. And yeah, I want to see how universe catches me now. Yeah, I must win. I must win. I lost my mom 2 months ago, and the pain, the uncertainty, the grief that I had to just I took all the leaps, everything that I could do, I did. I must win. I'm preparing myself to win. I'm preparing myself to win. I feel like stubborn. Everyone has said, that this path that I'm taking, it will not work and everything. But then I see this. Wait. Then I see these trees, I come out for a walk, and these trees and mountains, they just make me believe in magic so much. It's all really beautiful, and I must win. I must win. I must win, yeah. I must. Something so beautiful must work out for me. It must. It better. It's better.